everyone, and welcome back. So today I have a very fun and exciting box that we get to open up together. So it's very large. Hold that thought. What the heck? So this is my FabFitFun autumn box plus my add-ons. I don't know why it came in such a ginormous box, but I'm really excited to open it up. I kind of forgot what I ordered. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, feel free to continue. And if not, thanks for stopping by anyway. Bye. I mean, what? Okay. Anyways, let's get started opening this up. So I'm gonna try and not make this a super long video like my other one, sorry. Apparently I'm doing like bulk hauls. Oh. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to probably hold this up and let you see, but first we have, just all the packing fluff. Oh, okay, so the add-ons just kind of came in their own thing. Okay, so the first thing that I opened is the Tarte High Performance Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter. And I got this in the shade Sparkler Highlight. So let's look at that. This is one of the add-ons. I love Tarte blushes, so, ooh, that is pretty. Can you like see some of the shimmer in that? It's like a champagne golden color. Ooh, that's nice. Very exciting. Add-on number 1. Okay. I do not remember ordering this. Okay, so then there's this. Hold on a second. I'm gonna have to look back at my order because I really don't remember ordering that water bottle. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't order this. Oh, okay. So one of the add-ons that I got was the mystery bundle. So that's probably what this stuff is. I'm assuming, because I don't remember ordering any of this. So, okay. So first thing, this is my Tagalongs insulated bottle. Very pretty. It has a floral design. It's like a rose gold, but more of like a purpley rose gold. Just insulated water bottle. That's exciting. I need to drink more water, so this will come in handy. And then the next thing I got is a Terramere Organic Vegan Tropical Deep Cleansing Mask. If I'm saying that wrong, feel free to educate me below. I'm not a guru. So it looks like there's a little spoon of some sort. Oh wow, this is like I have no idea what this is. It's like a rock. Okay. Our intensive deep cleansing mask harnesses the natural healing and purifying properties of tropical fruits and is recommended for all skin types. Pineapple is a natural cleanser, contains enzymes that soften and hydrate your skin. Papaya and green papaya are an excellent natural source of anti-aging. We've included witch hazel that has powerful healing properties, reducing redness and inflammation. The tropical deep cleansing mask is packaged with a volcanic hot stone, so you can indulge in a professional and therapeutic home cleansing treatment. Huh. Very interesting. So you use this to massage your face for 2 minutes, and then you apply the cleansing mask. Huh, very interesting. Was not expecting any of that. Alright, well, that's that. The next thing we have is the Marula Pure Beauty Oil, facial oil. I have heard a lot about facial oils and I have never tried any. I have naturally kind of like oily, acne prone skin, so I will be interested to see what this is. It says light, powerful, effective, suitable for all skin types. Penetrates quickly to help hydrate, firm, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for soft, radiant skin. Interesting, interesting. Ooh, the bottle's pretty. So I will try that out and I will have to let you guys know. Very cool. And then the last thing that came in, I guess the mystery bundle, is the Slip Silk Difference. Slip Silk is specially commissioned and made to our exacting standards, development and refined over 10 years to provide the ultimate combination of shine, thickness, softness, and durability. We use the highest grade long fiber mulberry silk with a thickness of 22 silk fibers. Okay. This is a silk sleep mask. Oh, it's bougie. Sleep with us, tell your friends. Interesting. Anti-aging, anti-sleep crease, anti-bedhead, pure silk pillowcase, because slip silk, okay. Wow, okay, so a silk eye mask, cool. We'll try that out. Okay, the next two things that I see were add-ons that I remember actually purchasing. So the first one, holy crap, that's smaller than I thought, is the $1 Million Brows Mini Tweezer. I'm definitely gonna keep that in my purse, you know, for stray brow hairs that need to be tamed. I was buying it because I needed a new tweezer. These are really tiny though. I mean, I'm still gonna use it, but I thought it was, I didn't, I guess, see that it was a mini one, but that's okay. And the next thing I have is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. So let's open that up. I said I would try to make this video short, but we haven't even gotten to the actual box, so sorry. You don't have to continue watching if you don't want to, I guess. Okay, so they look like this. Very good colors for my skin tone. I like it. It almost looks like the blush has been like smudged. Maybe not, maybe that's just a glare. But there's that. And then, okay, so this is the other thing that was my kind of big splurge add-on, was the Instax Mini. And it was like a package set, so it came with Instax Mini, a case, and film. So 2 packets of 10 sheets each, so 20 pictures. Here's the Instax, and here's the case. So let's open this up first. Ooh, geez. All sorts of things coming out. Love this color. How cute. Ooh, that's exciting. So there's the Instax. I have no idea how to use one of these, but I'm sure the instructions will be pretty easy to follow through. I remember using an old school Polaroid. See if any of you youngins are too young to know what any of that is. Anyway. right, and here's a case. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's a little leather case, and it has like the long purse strap. So cute. Love that. That is really cute. So exciting. Okay, so most of that was stuff that I knew was coming. Now let's move on to the main event. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna split this up. You know what? I'm gonna split it up. So this is just the add-ons and mystery bundle, and then the next video you can watch will be the autumn unboxing. See you guys in that video.